The decision of the district court judge was 26 pages, a very well-written legal decision. So I have to certainly applaud the judge for a sound decision, which makes it even harder for us to review what are the issues that we can possibly appeal on.
That appeal is a decision made by Chief Judge Frances Tidinko Gatewood in the Dave Davis plebiscite case. Earlier this month, she ruled that a Native inhabitants-only plebiscite would be unconstitutional. Deciding on whether to appeal is still under review by Attorney General of Guam Elizabeth Barrett-Anderson, who says it will be an uphill battle.
So not only are we looking at how to step back into the Ninth Circuit with an argument that is legally sound, but beyond the Ninth Circuit, to develop a case that we might be able to then take on to the Supreme Court of the United States. That's not an easy task. So we haven't thoroughly done all our analysis, but we're continuing to do so.
Along with her legal team, she also met with the governor and senators this week on the possible appeal. Since the decision, community members have led protests and gave passionate testimony on resolutions in support of an appeal. The AG says an appeal will not be made based on testimony or evidence, but rather an appeal on legal arguments, specifically on the 14th and 15th Amendments.
I'm sensitive and conscious of the emotional issues. I'm not insensitive to that. But I have to be able to do my job as Attorney General, and those are issues of legal parameters and not necessarily emotional parameters.
She adds any fight through our federal court system is extremely challenging when constitutional rights are in question, especially when the fight involves the right to vote.
When you have that brick wall in front of you, I think it's wise to look at other options. Because if I'm going into your home and I'm going to fight in your home with the way that you set up your house because I just don't like it, that's going to be a tough battle, right?
As for the Department of Justice's January letter to the governor concerning the Chamorro Land Trust, Barrett-Anderson makes it clear she will not be signing a consent decree.
Ultimately, we'll be in court again, and I don't know exactly whether we're going to be successful or unsuccessful with the Justice Department taking us to court regarding the Chamorro Land Trust. That does worry me. And we'll have to fight that battle and on that day when it happens.
Meanwhile, as both cases have sparked a new political status debate, the legal battle and possible appeal is one expected to be lengthy. Barrett-Anderson says she has the stamina to take that on.
Am I faint of heart of taking something up to the Supreme Court of the United States? I don't think so. We've done it before, I've done it before, and if this is a case that has that opportunity to go to the Supreme Court of the United States, I think that'd be a wonderful challenge for Guam.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintanilla.